News summaries in simple English. Introduction. News is an essential part of our daily lives. It keeps us informed about events happening around the world. However, many news articles are written in complex language, making them difficult to understand. Simple English news summaries help people, especially beginners in English, grasp important information quickly and easily. Why use simple English for news summaries? Easy to understand. Using simple words and short sentences makes news more accessible. Saves time. People can quickly read and understand key points without spending much time. Inclusive for everyone. Non-native English speakers, children, and those with learning difficulties can benefit. Reduces misinformation. Simple and clear language helps prevent misunderstandings. How to write news summaries in simple English. Use short sentences. Avoid long and complicated sentence structures. Choose common words. Use everyday words instead of difficult vocabulary. Stick to the main points. Focus on the essential facts and avoid unnecessary details. Use active voice. Sentences like, "The government announced new policies," are clearer than, "New policies were announced by the government." Explain unfamiliar terms, if a technical word is needed. Provide a brief explanation. Example of a simple English news summary. Original news. The World Health Organization, WHO, has declared a global health emergency due to the rapid spread of a new virus, which has affected thousands of people across multiple countries. Governments are enforcing strict travel restrictions and advising citizens to follow safety measures. Simple English summary. The World Health Organization, WHO, says the new virus is spreading fast. Many people in different countries are sick. Governments are making travel rules stricter and asking people to stay safe. Where to find simple English news summaries? BBC News, Learning English, provides news in simple English. Voice of America, VOA, Learning English, offers news articles and audio reports. News websites for kids. Many websites provide news in easy language for young readers. Conclusion. Using simple English for news summaries helps more people stay informed. It is a great way to make news accessible and easy to understand. Whether you are a beginner in English or just want quick news updates, simple English summaries are a useful tool. News summaries in simple English. Introduction. News plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It helps us stay informed about global events, local developments, politics, science, technology, and more. However, not everyone can understand complex news reports, especially those who are learning English as a second language. To bridge this gap, news summaries in simple English are becoming more popular. These summaries break down complicated information into easy to understand language, making news accessible to a wider audience. The importance of simple English in news. Many news articles are written using advanced vocabulary, long sentences, and technical terms. While this may be suitable for professionals or native speakers, it creates a barrier for beginners, young readers, and non-native English speakers. Simple English news summaries help overcome this challenge by making news understandable. Simple words and short sentences make it easier to grasp information quickly. Enhancing learning. People learning English can improve their vocabulary and comprehension skills. Saving time. In today's fast-paced world, people want quick updates. Simple summaries help them get the main points without reading long articles. Spreading awareness. More people can stay informed about important topics such as health, politics, and world events. Characteristics of a good simple English news summary. A well-written simple English news summary should have the following features. Short and clear sentences. Each sentence should be concise and to the point. Use of common words. Avoiding technical terms and jargon ensures clarity. Focus on key information. Highlight the main points without unnecessary details. Avoiding complex grammar, passive voice, long clauses, and difficult sentence structures should be minimized. Logical flow. The summary should present information in a natural and logical order. How to write an effective news summary in simple English. Writing a simple English news summary requires some techniques to ensure clarity and effectiveness. Read the original news carefully. Understand the main idea before simplifying. Identify the key facts. Determine the most important details such as who, what, where, when, why, and how. Use simple words and phrases. Replace difficult words with easier alternatives. Break long sentences. If a sentence is too long, split it into two shorter ones. Keep it neutral and objective. A good news summary should present facts without opinions or bias. Provide context when needed. If a news item involves technical terms, provide a brief explanation. Example of a news summary in simple English. Original news. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has released its latest global economic forecast, predicting a 3.2% growth rate for the world economy in the upcoming year. However, experts warn that rising inflation, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical tensions may slow economic recovery in some regions. The IMF also emphasized the need for governments to implement policies that promote stability. Simple English summary. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says the world economy will grow by 3.2% next year. But experts say problems like high prices, supply issues, and global conflicts might slow down recovery. The IMF advises governments to take steps to keep the economy stable. Where to find news in simple English? There are several platforms that provide news in easy-to-understand language. BBC Learning English offers simplified news articles and audio clips. Voice of America, VOA, Learning English, provides news stories with slow-paced audio for better understanding. News for Kids. Websites like Dogo News and Newzilla simplify current events for young readers. Simple Wikipedia, a great source for finding easy explanations of news topics. Online news apps with readability options. Many news apps allow users to adjust readability settings for simpler language. The role of simple English news in education. Simple English news summaries are not just for casual readers. They play a significant role in education as well. Teachers often use them too. Improve reading skills. Students can practice reading comprehension with simplified articles. Enhance vocabulary. Learning news-related words in an easier format helps students expand their vocabulary. Encourage critical thinking. Simple summaries allow students to analyze and discuss current events. Make learning fun. Engaging stories in simple language can make learning enjoyable. Challenges in writing simple English news summaries. While simplifying news is beneficial, it also comes with challenges. Keeping the original meaning. Sometimes simplifying too much can change the meaning of the news. Balancing brevity and detail. A summary should be short but still include important details. Avoiding oversimplification. Some topics, like scientific discoveries, may require a basic level of technical explanation. Conclusion. News summaries in simple English are an excellent way to make information accessible to everyone. Whether you are a student, a non-native English speaker, or someone looking for quick updates, these summaries help you stay informed in an easy and effective way. By following clear writing techniques, journalists and content creators can ensure that news reaches a wider audience, promoting knowledge and awareness globally. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.